Welcome back to Living the Dream Garage 2.0 on YouTube. As I said, today we're jumping around even more on the 60. We're not in a state of emergency, but it's just the way it's happening right now. We got a little gas cap or gas flange inlet or gas inlet for the truck the owner had sent to us, and this is what he's wanting, and he wants it behind where the tailgate's going to go. So basically we're gonna cut out, I'm gonna cut a hole, fit it, and run this through, and then we're gonna put some screws in it, and may have to build a gasket. Not found one yet with a gasket for this type of unit, but I know how to build them, and so yeah, that's where we're at now. I want to thank everyone from the last video and all the videos before. Thanks for your subscriptions. Thanks for hitting the like button, the dislike button, good, bad comments, all the above. We'll take them all. And just thank you again. And big thanks to Benchmark Abrasives. I want to thank Everlast Welders, the big green machine. And thank the gentleman, I want to thank Fast Flange for reaching out to us. Again, we appreciate it. We can use all the help we can get as far as that. It's quite a road to it's a trek to get to anywhere where we're at. We're way out in the country, and which is the way I prefer it. And it's a planning process just to go to town, and but we appreciate all the help, everyone that is subscribing, everything. Thank you so much, and we're going to get busy. As you see, we've put the hole in there, and this is 2 1/8 bend circle, and yeah, it was tight going around this elbow part here, and but basically all I did was use this fabulous little tool that I learned about a while back, and but basically just opens that up just enough for me to get this neck in there, the filler neck, and goes through, and that's what it's going to look like. It's basically going to just as simple as that. Anybody can do it. If you wanted to upgrade something, you know, whatever you got, a project or whatever. But it's just going to be a basic filler neck housing. It does have an O-ring. Why they didn't send a gasket, but it needs one. But yeah, everyone, that's the route that it's going to be, and I kind of like it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, tell me what's up with it or what you don't like about it. But yeah, so we almost knocked this off our list. But yeah, that's where we're at. Some more. right, everyone. We got the gas filler neck in, and we're had to cut it to make it fit, and all. It had the turn down on it, and it was it wasn't going to make it to the neck, the gas tank the correct way, so we cut it, re-welded it back together, and this is it in its state of where it's going to be. I'll let Tenderfoot show you where it's at and how it got, how it got welded. Just got welded back straight. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. And then the tailgate's going to come around in front of it, and that's it. And I'd like to thank everyone for coming in and having a look-see on the truck, and all the new subscribers, even the old subscribers, anybody that's paying attention to the channel. Thank you. And again, like, share, subscribe, do all the good stuff. We appreciate it, and have a wonderful night.